I'm Siosi,
I'm Audi Culver.
and we are Siosi. We are a design build company. We've been in business 12 years now. We design and build furniture. The Siosi aesthetic has come from classic shapes, clean lines, Scandinavian, Japanese joinery. It's all part of it. Mid-century modern. I think that's all led to a collective modern aesthetic, and our spin on it is unique to us because it involves our hands, our egos, and our particular taste. I think a big part of what has helped our aesthetic grow and our brand grow is just being productive. What makes us successful as a team is that we're very familiar with each other's skill sets. I'm so familiar with what Audi's capable of. I'm never designing outside of our scope and outside of what I know that our shop can do and what I know that we can do between the two of us. And that's huge. And as we've grown, as our craft has gotten better and as our tools have gotten better and more extensive, we've been able to add design elements that we wouldn't have been able to accomplish the first few years. I think it's important as designers and as builders to be inspired by the materials you're working with.
We feel so lucky to have this job and to be able to make art and a living at the same time has always been the goal, and we kind of pinch ourselves and can't believe that we made it work sometimes. And we're excited to get started.